Hi guys, today's video is going to be a mix haul. I normally do Dollar Tree hauls on Mondays. My schedule at Dollar Tree is Mondays, Wednesdays, and Sundays. But I felt like I need to switch it up today, and I'm gonna share with you guys this mix haul. I think it's TJ Maxx, HOMEGOODS, and Five Below. I'm actually gonna start off with Five Below first and show you guys the wrapping paper that I found there. I got this because I guess just in light of, you know, our loss of Matthew Perry. Him playing Chandler on the show, which is actually Micah's favorite character. And I saw this wrapping paper and I thought it was just absolutely adorable. There's Chandler's stocking right there. I actually don't know what I paid for this at Five Below, but my guess would be $5. I had to turn off my cinematic view because it just wasn't focusing properly, but I just really love this card. The little mice, just like they do me in, like look at me. By the way, this is in my merch shop. These are just like the little nutcracker characters. And I just thought it was so cute. I know Halloween's about to just like be gone, and I just kind of wanted to secure this card. So that's all that was. I picked up this adorable little Santa mailbox. If you guys remember my Hobby Lobby shop with me, on that list I wrote that I wanted red and white decor because I'm gonna do a red and white theme for my coffee station for Christmas time. And I was actually looking for like a Santa mailbox, but they didn't have like this color scheme. They probably threw in like green or something. And I found exactly what I wanted at Five Below. I don't know if I'm gonna end up pulling for it, you know, when I'm styling. I mean, things can change, but I did get it for that. Then I just found these cute little cakes. They just looked good. I don't know, I think I went shopping hungry. They actually have this in a chocolate version as well. Look how cute these are packaged. So if you need to do like a little gift basket, oh my God, that is adorable. Shows here that you can write like a little note. Next up, I just got suckered into this. These tarot cards, they just looked really adorable. They're a kawaii, which is I think like a Japanese like cartoon. I'm pretty sure it's Japanese, I could be wrong. And it's tarot, so you get, you know, your 22 major arcana cards, you get 56 lesser arcana cards. I just thought I just wanted this in my craft room as a, you know, one of my stash for maybe junk journaling in the future. So, I mean, like this little one right here with the moon, love it. The little coffee things, love it. Absolutely adorable. So I got those. Then I found these, and it is giving Bath and Body Works dupe all the way. Like you can't tell me that that's not what they were trying to go for. I actually wanted the vanilla set, but they didn't have the lotion. So I wanted to complete the set. Maybe I need to check another Five Below, but I went with Peppermint Snap. And I bet this is comparable to the Bath and Body Works peppermint one. What's that one called? It smells really good. This is the hand and body cream. Packaging super cute. Here is the foaming hand soap. And these were $5, I believe. No, these were $3.50. Which, okay, is I think what it ends up being at Bath and Body Works, like with sales and stuff. So, I guess take that into consideration. Then we have the little spray. So really adorable. These are gonna be great pickups for stocking stuffers, gift baskets, the works. And then I finally remembered to get myself some slime. It kind of feels silly saying it, and I've always, like when slime first came out and people were like DIYing it and making it was all the rage. I was just kind of like, okay, that's great, but not for me, you know? Now I look at it completely different because it's almost like the most perfect like stress toy. I guess you could say. I've never liked stressed balls. I've never liked the texture. Like, I have goosebumps thinking about them. I've never liked the texture. I've thought that they were too firm, and that just didn't feel fun to me. I needed something softer, slimier, and it's just really, it's a stress ball. That's all it is. And this one's cute because it's like, it has, you put these into it, which is so awesome. I follow this like TikTok shop, and they make slime, and it's pretty expensive. So it's nice to like find something cute, you know, on that level. But yeah, so like, ooh, I like the sound of it. Ooh, yeah. I know it sounds weird, but don't knock it till you try it. That's all I'm gonna say. All right, so I got our little gingerbread man in there. I'm gonna go ahead and pour all the little pieces in here. And then, see that? And then you can just like, you can work them all into this thing. I guess it just gives it another texture and all that. So anyways, that's it. That's what I got from Five Below. Now let's go into TJ Maxx. Let's start off with wrapping paper again. And I just feel like I'm scoring on wrapping paper. I'm very excited about this. I always see people haul like the cutest ones, and I just feel like I've never been able to find them. But I had to get the nutcrackers. Like, look at that, how cute. I love that the background of this paper is brown. I think that's what actually drew me to it. I think had it been white, I might not have wanted it. I just think it gives it this like, I don't know, richer, not rich like luxe, like a rich in color. And then that, I don't even know how much that was. Then I got this one, $3.99, and it's like a little snowy village. So $3.99 seems like a pretty decent price, but you can tell there's not very much, but oh my god, the inside is a striped red. Like, look how freaking cute that is. And I love that it's a nighttime scene. I feel like that's kind of rare. So yeah, this one was definitely a huge score in my opinion. This last one I'm not gonna open. I feel like it's big enough to where you can kind of like see. I just don't want them to like get ruined, but this was $7.99. It's definitely a lot heavier. Yeah, you can tell there's a lot of wrapping paper in here. I loved it because Santa has that vintage look to him. Also from TJ Maxx, this gorgeous bedding. And I want to say that this is the time to remember where I'm telling you guys this bedding is from. Only reason why I say that is whenever I decorate for the holidays, the number one question I get usually is, where's my bedding from? And I want you guys to be able to have, you know, the best chance of finding the same thing I'm finding. So this is from TJ Maxx. This is the Tommy Hilfiger collection. I got this for my bedroom. I didn't actually have plans. I had a whole shopping list for my bedroom. This was not something that I thought that I wrote on my list, because I already have like a plaid blanket I was gonna display over it. But when I saw this, and it is the perfect plaid, that I'm obsessed. This is my favorite plaid on the planet. I don't know why, but the camera is not showing its true color actually. It's not showing the navy properly, but this is beautiful in person. It is you get a full queen comforter and 2 standard pillow shams. That's what you get in this. And I looked at this for like 5 or 10 minutes, $49.99, because I was just like, no, I don't need that. Do I need that? And then in the end, I was like, this is so stunning. It looks Pottery Barn, but Pottery Barn doesn't do prices like that. And that's when I knew. I was like, you know what? It's also Tommy Hilfiger. I love Tommy. It kind of also reminds me of Ralph Lauren. So I knew this was gonna be a good purchase for me. Also from TJ Maxx, I went I went in on some gift tags. This was $3.99. It is also the Nutcracker. Like, that is so cute. I could use these for presents, excuse me, but you know me, more so I'm gonna pull some of these for junk journaling. Like, these would just be so cute, and use these as like ephemera pieces. So that was my original plan. I also got this one, same thing. I'll use some to wrap presents and some for junk journaling. They are gorgeous. It has this like, whatever those are called. I have the puncher for that. I just forget what it's called. This was $3.99. And the detail in person is stunning. Like, the camera really is not showing it to you at all. Like, Santa alone, the little gold lining is so pretty. So that, no one's surprised, but let me tell you, I don't have this in my collection, and I had to get this. The little skiers, the ski lift, this was $4.99. I have to tell you guys, this is like off topic, but not really. I was at HOMEGOODS, and they had this bench, like this massive fabric bench that said to the ski lift or something along those lines. And then they had a smaller one with like fabric again. It's like a, almost like a yarn stitch look to it. And it said, it had like skiers on it. It was colorful. And I sat and contemplated for like 30 minutes. And I was like, this is one of those pieces where you just get it. You don't walk away from it. You just get it. Because that's the thing with like HOMEGOODS and TJ Maxx. Usually it's like, when you get into stuff like that, there's only one of it. And I didn't get it. And I bet anything that if I walked into that HOMEGOODS right now, it would be gone. Because someone was smart enough to grab it. It gave Ralph Lauren, and I don't know what I was thinking not getting it. I think ultimately I was like, where am I gonna put that? But like, who cares? I should have just freaking got it, but here we are. Anyway, so I do have a mug with skiers on it, and they're just so cute. So there's that story. And then in my last TJ Maxx bag, I got candles. I got this Sand and Fog. Like, these candles are so chic, $7.99. Love that price. Beautiful Christmas tree. Just a regular 2 wicks in there. I was kind of hoping for like the wood one, or like whatever that's called, because it crackles. This is pine and sage. It's really lovely. Very masculine. And then this one, I've already forgotten. Not surprised, a Honey Crisp Apple. I love the cream color of this. Like, it's gonna look gorgeous in my office. I'm gonna be doing a tartan plaid in here, the one that's like navy and green for Christmas. I'm so excited. This office will be revealed Friday on my channel, so stay tuned for that. Not Christmas, just the normal everyday setup, because I just moved into this house, but this will probably come into this room. It's just a normal 1 wick, and it smells like Honey Crisp apples. It's just beautiful. $7.99. So that's it for TJ Maxx. Now let's get into HOMEGOODS. So clearly you guys know I do not have the ski lift bench or the skiers stool to share with you because I was dumb and I didn't get it. But I got this beautiful blanket. I've actually been looking for a blanket with the black trees. If you guys remember my Hobby Lobby haul, I hauled those black tree ornaments. I'm still kind of going back and forth, honestly. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna do a candy cane theme in my media room or if I'm gonna do this black and white that I've been buying for. But in the end, I thought to myself, if I go with the candy cane theme, eventually I can do this theme in like my guest bedroom. It won't happen this year because I don't have any furniture for my guest bedroom, but like, I could just do it next year basically. So I know I wanted to buy this, and it's just a stunning, it's like this Aspen brand, I don't know, but it's so nice. And I'm so glad that I kind of like kept waiting, because I've seen a lot of these blankets with the trees, they just weren't quite right. I don't know. I didn't know what I was looking for until obviously I saw it, and I love this. I love that there's a black trim on the edge. I just think it gives it a nice finished look. And this was $29.99, and it is a full queen size blanket. Then I found this adorable little set of mugs. Now what's funny about these mugs is that whoever makes this, Lang, whoever this maker is, I actually have some of their mugs for Halloween. And I'm assuming it's the same maker because they do this polka dot thing and then they do this like embossing. And I believe I have this mug in the Santa and the bigger one. And then I found this little mini set of 4, and this was $12.99, and I thought it would look cute in my coffee bar. So I'm really trying to only use red and white. I'm probably gonna bring in some browns from a gingerbread look, but I'm really trying not to like have green in it or anything. So I found these and I thought it'd be really cute to like stack them and style them. So that was my plan for those. And then in my last bag for today's haul from TJ Maxx or HOMEGOODS, I was not gonna walk out without this Santa. These are a set of holiday cards, 15 holiday cards, $5.99. And you guys know I love holiday cards for junk journaling. I actually need to go Tuesday morning. I feel like Tuesday mornings are just like going out of business. I don't know what's happening. Hopefully there's still some left in Dallas. I need to go find one. But Tuesday morning has some of the best holiday cards. But this is HOMEGOODS. But yeah, $5.99, and I'm definitely gonna junk journal with these. Then feels like a mug. I've already forgotten. Oh my God, how could I forget? I don't know, I guess I'm on a nutcracker kick. I didn't even mean to do this. I bought all this stuff like a week ago and it's been sitting in a bag, so I've just like forgotten. But I guess this baby blue lining is everything. It honestly, this color palette makes me want to do a whole junk journal with these colors. Like with the oranges and some red and some like, you know, this beautiful blue. Oh my God, stunning. And then one more mug, and we're gonna finish the haul. This Merry and Bright Ray Dunn mug. I thought of my coffee mug, or my coffee station that I wanna do. It's just white and red. Of course, any little pieces of black is fine. I just thought it was really cute. This was $5.99. So these are my big mug purchases. So here they are. Very random, but I love them. And that is gonna be it for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am so excited to start getting the house decorated for Christmas. I think I'm actually gonna decorate a week in advance, I think. I was gonna start decorating the week of Thanksgiving, but I think I'm gonna start the week before, and I believe we're gonna start with my media room. But stay tuned for that if you wanna hang out with me and see how I decorate this new house, and hopefully I'll see you guys there. Bye.